Now listen, same theorem but theoretical proof. The circumference angles standing on the सेम आर्क अफ सर्कल्स आर इक्वल. परिधिका कोणहरू एउटै चापमा आधारित रहेका परिधिका कोणहरू बराबर हुन्छन्. या त यसको यो पनि हुन्छ, यो पनि हुन्छ. यसभन्दा अगाडिको भिडियोमा हामीले त्यो डिस्कस गरिसकेका छौँ. यो तीनवटै स्टेटमेन्ट पनि हाल्न सकिन्छ. यसको थ्योरिटिकल प्रुफको बारेमा अब हामी डिस्कस गर्छौँ. एक्सपेरिमेन्टल प्रुफ गरिसकेका हौँ, अब थ्योरिटिकल प्रुफ हेर्ने. द सर्कमफेरेन्स एंगल्स स्ट्यान्डिङ अन द सेम आर्क अफ सर्कल्स आर इक्वल. एउटै आर्कमा रहेका परिधिका कोणहरू बराबर हुन्छन् है. यसको एक्सपेरिमेन्टल प्रुफ हेर्नु. थ्योरिटिकल प्रुफ. थ्योरिटिकल प्रुफमा सबभन्दा पहिले हामीलाई के हुन्छ भने अकॉर्डिंग टू गिवन मटेरियल्स फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ड्रा द पिक्चर्स. या फर्स्ट इट बी अ सर्कल. सो फर्स्ट वी ड्रा सर्कल्स as well as in the statement. Yeah, so first we draw a circle that having a center at O, and then after we draw here that arc AB arc with that, and there will be the two angles standing on that arc or standing on the same arc there in the circumference that we let here the C and D points. Yeah, and the same segment angle also it called inscribed angles. So first we draw the two circumference angles or two inscribed angles or two angles at the same segments. Yeah, so first we draw that the point C, and here it will be drawn angle ACB. Yeah, and then after there will be another point, that the point is here we write that the point is written here, and anywhere we can put. There will also and there we first put that the angle that the point is D, and there we form the angles that with the angles ADB. So there we have to prove that angle C is equal to angle D. Understood? Now first we should go there to the given. Yeah, there we should go to the given. In the given, first we write that O is the center of the circles where angle ACB and angle ADB standing on the same arc AB. That we write here in the given. O is the center of a circle where angle ACB and angle ADB are standing on the same arc AB. Clear? That we write in the given. And then after to prove, what do we have to prove here in the conditions that we have to prove that circumference angles or inscribed angles are equal. It means to say that ACB is equal to ADB. That we have to prove. So we write that same thing here in the to prove that angle ACB is equal to angle ADB. Understood? Now listen. Then after here in the methods we just draw the constructions here. One construction, simple constructions we draw here. Draw AO and here we see draw AO and OB. Why do we draw that AO and OB? Because after drawing there AO and OB, there we form one central angles. That the angles AOB here one of the central angle, that the central angle is 2 times of that circumference angles also, because it will be standing on the same arc here AB, and that the circumference angle also standing here on the same arc AB. So that angle is also half of that central angle, and that circumference angle is also half of that central angle. So these two circumference angles are equal. So by this way, first we draw that AO and OB. Understood it? So draw that AO, or join also we can write AO and OB. Why do we draw that OA and OB? Because after drawing that AO and OB, there we form one central angle that we call AOB, and that the central angles is double of that circumference angle also, and that the central angle is double of that circumference angles also. So we can say these two circumference angles are equal. By this way, first we draw that central angles. Due to their central angles, first we join AO and OB. Understood? So we write that same things in the construction. Join AO. What we join? AO and OB. Understood? Then we should go there in the proof. Here in the proof, it is so simple now, because there will be the 3 step only. That angle is the half of there. Yeah, that angle, that circumference angle is half of that central angle, and that circumference angle is also half of that central angle, because all these are standing on the same arc AB. Understood? So in the proof, first we write here in the statements and its reasons. Understood? Reasons. Now look here in number first, we can write angle ACB, that angle ACB, this one angle, that angle ACB is the half of that AOB. ACB is equal to half of angle AOB, because we know that circumference angle is the half of the central angle standing on the same arc of a circle. Circumference that we discussed in the theorem first. Yeah, theorem first में यो हामीले गरिसकेका हौं. Circumference angle standing on the circumference angle is half of the central angle standing on the same arc of a circle. सर्कल को एउटै आर्कमा आधारित रहेको सर्कमफेरेन्स एंगल सेन्ट्रल एंगल के हुन्छ आधा हुन्छ है. सेम रिजन. नंबर 2, that the same thing here, same reason and same process, yeah, in the statement 2, but from that another sides. Angle ADB is equal, also same there, ADB is equal to half of AOB. Reason is same. Yeah, that is also standing on the same arc, that angle circumference angle, and that central angle is also standing on the same arc AB. So we write here angle ADB is equal to half of angle AOB. Reason is same there. Circumference angles is half of the central angle standing on the same arc, yeah, of a circle. Clear? Same thing we write here in the reason. So from the first and second, that ACB is also half of the AOB and ADB is also half of AOB. It means to say that ACB is equal to ADB. Yeah, from statement first and second. Yeah. So we can write here ACB is equal to angle ADB. What will be the reason here? Reason is that from statement first and second. Clear? That is the proof. Yeah. That will be the theoretical proof. Understand? Now, so again we should go from the first, given whatever it given there in the conditions or in the statement, that's same thing we draw as the same. We draw here the figure first. So here written that the circumference angle is standing on the same arc. So first we draw O is the center of the circle, and here one of the circumference angle standing on the arc AB is ACB and another one is ADB. That is same thing we write here in the given. O is the center of the circle, where ACB and ADB are standing on the same arc AB. Yeah. And then what do we prove? The ACB is equal to ADB. Circumference angles are equal. The ACB is equal to ADB. Clear? And then after, due to form of their central angles, we must be joined, that AO and OB. That same thing we write, AO and OB joined. Yeah. Then we should go there in the statement and reason that the circumference angle is half of that central angle, and that the circumference angle is also half of that central angle. Same thing we write in first number, second number, and from first statement and second statement, that should be proved. Clear? I think it's so simple and short. That much. And look at the third kinds of the proof, that is alternative proofs, in the another videos.